Hi, welcome to the Lok Tantra. Here, this is Lohit Kumar. Right now, we have a candidate, Mr. Sanjay, who is a very successful man, a mentor, motivator, and right now he's there in the election. So, Sanjay sir, welcome, sir.
Thank you. Jai Bihar.
Yeah, sir. The very first question from my side is you are basically you have born and brought up and you have been educated and you have been proved as a successful man from the state called Telangana and especially from Hyderabad. And you moved to your hometown Bihar now. So your childhood and success, all the success from Hyderabad. Though, how is the acceptance over right now there?
Yeah, Lohit. Best wishes to you in your career also. See, when we are into something and we succeed somewhere, we always wish to do something to our motherland. As you mentioned, let me tell you, though I am born and brought up, my education, everything has happened in Rajahmundry. Then I moved to Visakhapatnam for a few years, and from there onwards, I have been in Hyderabad from last 10 years. My business is over there, and everything is there. My family is also there right now, which I want to do something in my motherland, and hopefully in the next coming 1 or 1.5 months, we might be shifting over totally to Bihar. Actually, my father was a victim of unemployment, whatever the process, the weakness means the laps are there in the government and the way the things go in Bihar. People get educated and according to their education also, they don't get any opportunity to work over here. When my father finished his education, and in those days, nowadays it is called as DME, in those days it was called as LME. My father was basically an engineer, and naturally once a person is educated and he always wished to be in the same field and work for the same field. So for an engineer, there was no opportunity available here. So one of my relative told that a new mill, a paper mill has started in Rajahmundry, and since you are an engineer by your qualification, if you want to come over there, my father went over there. So this started in my life, means in my father's life, and the migration took place. Once we started our education over there was no other chance for us to come back, because once the education starts and the schooling starts, we will, as a parent, he will always wish that his children should always be in a good school or whatever. So particularly in my matter, and not my matter, I can tell you very clearly, Lohit, the scenario in Bihar is such that any education system is also not good, any employment structure is also not good, the infrastructure is also not good. Though being a Bihari, I always felt like, what is this happening to my Bihar? There are 29 states in India. 28 states are progressing. Why not Bihar? Actually, if we go to the history and check the things, Bihar was the capital of Akhanda Bharat. You might be knowing that. It's Bihar's Patliputra, yeah, which is now known as Patna. Even let us leave the history and let us come to a point of last 50, 60 years. In these 50, 60 years also, West Bengal, Orissa, and Bihar were combined states. Now the Jharkhand is also divided. These all states were one. And the capital was Patliputra. You will be shocked to know that today Calcutta is so much rich with other things and everything, and it is called as a metropolitan city all over India. But coming to the point to that Patliputra to Patna now, we don't have a proper education system. Even we don't have a proper university. See, when we move out of the state, we see the things in different way. And when we come back to our home place, to our motherland, and when we see the lapses, automatically, and it is obvious that we will get a pain. That pain started in me.
Yeah, very true. Rightly you're saying, because when we compare, see, even unfortunately, there were many jokes also on the name of Bihar. In comparison to all the Indian states, why don't know, it is being behind or lacking for many infrastructures, though there are many people like, see, at present political system, do you think it is possible for the change with your right move?
Lohit, let me tell you, if a person wants to do anything and a revolution is started, everything is possible. And let me tell you again, let me point you out on this. Once a place is changed in Bihar, the total atmosphere in the Bihar will change and it has to happen. Let me tell you again, Bihar is rich with natural resources. Bihar is having lot of water resources. Bihar is having each and every aspect and everything that can be used and utilized for the development of Bihar. But sadly, I was telling you, I told you about the history of Bihar, and then I came back to your 60 years. Now let me come back to the last 30 years. Particularly in the last 30 years, there were two governments. Let me tell you the names, JDU and RJD. With whomever they come into power, what they have done, they have just rooted. Let me tell you very clearly, they have rooted the whole system, the whole state. They have made their locker strong. They never think and they never were in a mindset to develop the Bihar. You can go through, means when you are talking about like this, means you said you are listening or you are hearing jokes on Bihar. Let me tell you, once Hitler used to say, I will tell you this in Hindi. Hitler used to say, आदमी को ऐसे मजबूर कर देना चाहिए कि वो जीना ही बहुत बड़ा बात समझे. That thing these people have done in last 30 years. They have never taken care of anything, nothing, no development, even whatever the industries were there, they have closed it. And the shit has happened with Bihar, I can tell very frankly. Now, my point is, whenever I come, I see a lot of things outside the state. And when I come over here, I always find and I get shocked. And my mind always used to tell me my, my inner space always used to tell me, what the hell, when you have got your education, when you have got your talent, why don't you put it in your hometown? Is these kind of things have brought me back here, and I have started my approach, I have started my strategies, I have started telling people about these things. Let me tell you, I am trying to do my best. And yes, I agree, it's not possible in a day, but the elections are there, and the elections are the key, and that plays a key role to change anything, because one vote is bigger than everything. The main weakness, the joke part, let me tell you, when we put ourselves in this kind of situation, we only get blamed. The Biharis are the talented people. Let me tell you, Lohit, you might be aware of this. Yeah, you might be aware of this. If we go and search for IAS and IPS officers, today also Bihar ranks top. You can check if you are not aware of it.
Yeah, more from Bihar.
Yeah, more from Bihar. But what happens? These people don't want that. They don't want to come back to Bihar. The scenario is such, because in the regime of Lalu Prasad Yadav and in the regime of Rabri Devi, which they ruled for 15 years, there was a style and a passion to the people, and the youth in that era, they used to feel proud of themselves carrying pistols, revolvers, rifles. Their lifestyle was, and their thinking was that if I have a rifle, if I have a pistol, if I have a revolver, I can rule Bihar, I can rule the people like that. But the things changed in last 10, 15 years. The mindset of the people changed. But while voting, I don't understand what has happened. Even a big party like BJP, they were good in other states, but when coming to Bihar, I don't understand what is happening. They are in the government from last 5 years. They have not done any single thing. This all hell is happening with Bihar. Why Bihar? Why Bihar? When we have natural resources, when we have sources, resources, and everything, and the main thing, the manpower, huge manpower. We Biharis, let me tell you, we Biharis are the manpower of building so many things in different states. Even you can take the example of Mauritius, the president and the prime minister and the house, the upper house and everything, it is occupied by Bihar. Mauritius can be developed, but Bihar cannot be developed. This is a joke, really a
See,
joke.
they are the big, they are the big construction people. Like their skill is absolutely their dedication, the way they work. Unfortunately, the all Biharis they migrated to all the Indian other parts. They are making and they are going other states, but whereas not Bihar.
That's what I am telling Lohit. When we have such a great manpower and we are the part of developing other states, and the people over here have to understand that when other states are able to take the advantage of our manpower and they are building industries, they are building roads, they are building bridges and everything, why not we put our things into our place and make it? Yes, somewhere something has to start. That start I am trying to put over here. Let us see. I hope the people have become positive now. The people will understand. They have understood. I am meeting a lot of people every day on day-to-day basis. So many people are understanding my views and they are ready to be with me. But now the thing is, this last 2.5 months, there are big scenarios, big drama is happening in the political field. Means they are only interested in making government. They are interested in forming government. They are not interested in to look over the welfare of the people or the development of the state. It's a very sad news. I'm getting good support. Hopefully, into the house, into the assembly, I will put all my efforts. I will put all my dedication. I will put everything to start a new thing in Bihar.
So you have been born and brought up from Rajahmundry. Then for some time you're in Vishakhapatnam. Then you started in successful as a businessman in Hyderabad for 10 years. So your father migrated just because he was not having the opportunity in Bihar. So
exactly.
for the sake of opportunity, he migrated, complete family brought up here. And right now, with the love of your mother place, you have been shifted there. And since it has been only a little experience, you might have not your approach and what is your analysis and what is your resolutions. Since you're an educated man, you're a you're a motivator. In fact, you can make the leaders to come up. You can definitely you can motivate the youth to follow.
Exactly, Lohit. When I came over here, see, let me tell you, this is my motherland. Is always in my place. This is an obvious thing for everyone. Every living being, always they are attached to their home place.
Very true.
Every year, whenever we get vacation, I used to visit my place. I used to sit with many people and I used to discuss many things. These all things happened. And rightly when this corona and all affected and the reverse migration started, Mr. Pappu Yadav, the party which I have joined, Jan Adhikar Party, I followed him for several days. Let me tell you, only Sonu Sood, he was helping from Mumbai, and this great personality, Mr. Pappu Yadav, he was pushing the people all over from Delhi and other places who were in need and who wanted to go to their places. It's a very shocking thing that every state came front, means the government, the chief minister, the ministers came forward and tried to bring their people back to their homes. But it's sad, our chief minister, Mr. Nitish Kumar, never ever tried or organized or had his thought process to bring back people or to give some opportunities or help the people. He never ever had. So that's the reason. That means I have been hearing here from here and there, listening to so many things, and even we watch so many videos. Today the generation is dependent totally on technology, digital and all. I found Mr. Papu Yadav doing great job for the Bihar. So I have joined him. The time when I came, my mission was just to motivate the people, let them know what the problem they are having. I was successful with that. When I got a call from Papu Yadav, I just said, yes, I have to be with this man. If I am with this man, I can be 1 + 1, not 2, but I can be 1 and 1 level. That's the strength I have got today, and I will take over this seat, and hopefully I will sit in assembly in next month. Then I can think over, and actually I have started a revolution, Udyog Kranti, industrial revolution, and I am experienced. You might be knowing, you have gone through my profile and everything. Let me tell you, I am having my experience with sugar industry for last 25 years. And sugar is a crop which needs water mainly. And for your information, let me tell you, Bihar is such a rich state with water, which we can go for sugar industries over here. In Maharashtra, we find drought and everything, but still we find sugar industries there, sugar factories there. Right now, if the government have the wish and they want to start, we can beat out Maharashtra within next 10, 15 years, 5, 10, 15 years. For example, today in Maharashtra, you can find 100 plus sugar mills, and in Uttar Pradesh also you can find 100 plus sugar mills. But in Bihar, there are maximum 30 mills, in which only 7 to 11 or 12 mills are in working condition. So I have put all my strength, and I am trying to motivate the people and trying to make the people understand that things can happen here. We are not in a desert. We are with a land which is gold. It's a gold mine for agriculture. Many things can happen. That's the thing which has made me to come back. And in a meeting or somewhere, when we all Biharis used to sit, or Bihar Association something, we always used to talk, "Arey yaar, Bihar mein kya ho raha hai? Aise kaise hoga?" Then one day, everyone was pointing out, "Arey kaun karega? Why should we? Why should we?" Then I said, "I will confront. I will take the charge. I will be in the front. You all people support me." So this happened, and I am here.
Very nice. That I have seen some of your election campaigns. Your vocal was very clear. Your voice is very clear. And how is the Biharis? How is you are contesting? Please, people are understanding about the clarity, about the vision you have.
Yeah. The vision is very clear. I am talking only about Vikas, which means development. Change, which means badalna hai. Until and unless we change our lifestyle, until and unless we change our thought process, we can't bring anything, and the development cannot be fine. That's what I am trying to tell people. See, these things can happen which they are not allowing to happen. So I have put my effort, and I am telling people this can happen. I am explaining, I am motivating, I am even showing them how the things can be happened. This is the roadmap. This is how we can make the things happen. So people are understanding. They are very happy with my approach and the way which I am telling them and which I am making them aware.
Sanjay sir, see, at this point of time, see, everyone wants, they want to be very successful. Once they're successful, they want to be relaxed. But at this point of time, you have chosen such a path, that too in Bihar, going to Bihar, entering into politics, and driving yourself for a change. When you have a comfortable and stable and a perfect life here in Hyderabad, if you want, you would have taken this challenge from this place also. But you have chosen, of course, you have your love, your affection towards motherland.
See, Lohit, my mindset is, my father used to tell me, nothing is impossible in the world and everything is possible, but for that you have to work hard and you have to lead And when you are in front of anything, you have to just focus on it and be positive. Let me tell you, if I was in this, if I want to be, if I want to do anything in politics in Hyderabad, yes, that can happen. Means I was approached by few people and offered, but still I never ever wanted. Though I was part of them, though I worked with them, though in the election campaign I used to be with them, but I never put myself in the front, because I always, though I was in Hyderabad, though I was in Rajamandri, though I was in Visakhapatnam, my mind, my heart always used to pull me towards my hometown in Bihar. My love is that much. And see, what we can say, whenever a person reaches some place, then he starts thinking, what next, what next? In my mind, when this type of questions arise, then I got an answer from my inner heart, and my inner soul told me that you should work for the development of Bihar, and which is really required. See, it is the need of the hour. It is the need of the hour, I can tell you. Until and unless someone starts here, nothing can happen. The way they have spoiled the democracy, the way they have spoiled the Bihar, if you go through the papers or the news articles, you will find the seats are sold, the people are sold, they are purchasing the votes, they are giving flesh, meat, what not. They are giving money, they are pouring the money, just they have spoiled the things, they have spoiled the mind of the people over here. 5 years after, no MLA, no MP out of 5 years, 4.5 years, they never visit anyone. But what the business, they have made it as an investment. They are just investing in the 6 months prior to the elections. They are just investing. They have made the politics as a business. See, politics is a नेक काम बोलते हैं, हिंदी में बोलते हैं, राजनीति एक नेक काम होती है. Politics is a noble thing, but the meaning and the things here, it is different. They just come into the place, the 3 months or 2 months, or let me tell you, prior to the election, 3-4 days, just they pour the money like water. They pour the money like water. They pour. I don't want to spoil my mouth, and I don't want to use the words daru pilana. It's really means the way they take place, and even the people here, they also take the advantage of this, and they think that this is the time to end. But the things have to change here. If they take 500 for a vote or 1,000 for a vote, and they are going to vote for them, they are putting themselves, they are putting their own whole body into them, and they are selling themselves. These are the things I am trying to tell. And the time is, the need of the hour is change. Bihar has to get changed. Bihar will change, Lohit. I'm challenging you, Bihar will change. Within next 10 years, you will see a new Bihar.
My experience when I visited there doesn't have proper connectivity, doesn't have proper roads, especially in the rainy season. You don't have village to village communication, and especially don't have even main roads. That was the situation when I had been there, and it is unfortunate. Anyhow, fine. You guys like you should coming with a clarity, and I want you guys should be very successful and should be there in the assembly, so that at least your voice should be the representatives of the problems and towards the salvation. And I want to know a little bit more about Udyog Kranti, because this is a very clear tone you have taken up, very good thing you have taken up. So is it possible in Bihar, and what is your thought process on that?
Yeah. Let me tell you, in prior to means at that time when the British were ruling our country, British formed a company, British India Corporation. When they formed the country, in those days they started the industries in India. At that time, they selected UP and Bihar with British India Corporation. They started building factories, they started constructions, and they started doing the things. Industries were here and everything. But those all things were ruined and spoiled, and For example, let me tell you, from my place around 15-20 kilometers, there was a superb sugar factory, which was one of the best sugar mill in India, and the produce or whatever they were manufacturing, it was a world class. Let me tell you, Louis, world class, was famous in the world. The sugar was such famous, the quality and everything. That mill was closed. Uh, that mill was closed. That mill was spoiled and closed in year 1998 because of this arrogancy of the people and the mindset of the people in those days. They used to go to the mill, they used to beat or they used to threaten the staff, and they used to ask for money. And likewise, when these all things happened, simply the management took a decision and closed the mill. So likewise, not only one, even you might have heard about Dalda, the biggest manufacturer of Vanaspati. Their first unit was in Bihar. Let me tell you for your information. And today that unit is not there. And even there are so many cases which I can tell you. But now what the slogan I have taken is Udyog Kranti. It means industry revolution. When I can tell you, Lohit, when we come across a pulsar and we see on it, we will also have a thought that let me have a pulsar. If you see, for example, if you are riding, if you are driving an Innova, if you are driving an Innova, and if you see a Mercedes, your mind will say that let me have a Mercedes someday. Likewise, if one mill is started, one mill, I am telling, one mill is started in Bihar. Let me tell you, within 10 years, 100 mills will definitely start. Means the other districts, means my district is Saran, in which Taraya is my constituency, where I have I am contesting, and I have done my process of nomination yesterday. In this Taraya, I have started this industrial revolution. Once one industry comes over here, I am challenging you, within 10 years, 100 mills, 100 industries will come over India. That is my revolution, my Kranti, Udyog Kranti. Yeah, Lohit.
Sir, Taraya is the place from where you are contesting. So you must be having complete study about the place, what kind of resources you have, and what kind of developments can be done from the place, what kind of the job opportunities or any other opportunities can be given to the people. You have a clear picture about it, so that which has to be reached to the people of Taraya.
Yeah, obviously, Lohit. Actually, my district is Saran district, and in Saran district, actually, my place is Masrak, a town called Masrak, which was earlier a single constituency, and later in 2008 or 2010, it was divided into two constituencies, Baniapur and Taraya. Baniapur is on the other side, and Taraya is on the other side. Let me tell you, I am not the voter of Taraya, at least. I am the voter of Baniapur. But I focused on Taraya because the connectivity and everything is good in Taraya. The things which can happen for industries cannot happen in Baniapur. But if Saran district will be means having a good name overall, the fame will start, and the people all over Bihar will start talking about Taraya. The connectivity is good. There is a nice thing called canal system. You may understand from Godavari to other places. We have from Kakinada, we have our sea on the Bay of Bengal, and from Kakinada we have a connectivity from Kakinada to other places up to Tadepalli Gudam and Eluru and Vijayawada, where they do their transportation through the waterways, not the roadways, because waterways are always cheaper than roadways. The canal system is also there. I don't know. I have I've gone through many things in that. This thing is remained. I have to work on it. Was this started by the British or the governments in 70s or 80s have started? But the thing is, they are all drained, and the maintenance is not there. But once I come into place, I will start the maintenance work and everything on the canal and channel system.
Yeah.
Uh, they are talking to close. Yeah. Let me tell you, that is the thing. If the canal system is channelized, the transportation charges and everything will be very attractive, and it will be an added advantage. So many states in our country are lacking water and other things, and we are always people are dying somewhere to drink water, and we are in floods every now and then. Do you understand, Loik,
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
how stupidity it is? If we talk in English, you are
Correct.
towing and you are spoiling the water resources.
Very
That's the thing that has pulled me here. Let me see. I am putting all my efforts. I am hopefully things will change. We will change Bihar. It
So,
started.
see, when you are talking, I can really appreciate and understand in such a way that you have a clear thought of mind. You're not only talking about the local level, but your vision is complete Bihar. So, I really appreciate the way you're going, and I wish you all the best for your election. And you're supposed to be elected because educated are must in assembly, so that their good thinking will definitely take it forward for the development. And you must be having very clear youth, especially who are educated, should understand the way you are, because you are sacrificing your comforts, you are leaving all
Yes.
your comforts from this place, and you're going to such a place, and you're going as a fighter, because
Yeah.
especially right now a place needed fighters and a thoughtful for the development of the place, and they're so lucky to have you there. So election is election. And
Yeah.
finally, last and final question, since a minute only remain for us. So about this politics, about politics, and you're ventured into politics, and you're thinking different, and hope finally you tell a word to the people about your clarity.
Let me tell you, Lohit, appreciate you for this question. Let me tell you, see, I am educated outside. When people earn something, they put their best. That part my dad has done on me. He got my education. I got me a good education. I am educated. I have come back to my mother tongue for a reason, and I am challenging you. If means if you put a question mark, let me tell you the thing which I have challenged and I have come forward. Lohit, what I wanted to tell, it's a very dangerous step. And I have put myself in the mouth of, you can say, lion, tiger, or whatever. Means the people, what they think
Yeah.
about themselves. But let me tell you, I have also come across, means I have told more than 10, 15 countries, and I have been all over India in my life. Uh, that's what I have put myself here. So what a message I want to bring to the notice of all the people who are Bihar. See, a person when he has come with a vision to change Bihar, and if the people of Bihar are not supporting, or let us say they are not interested, that means that they never want to change themselves. If this happens, nobody in future will try or will take a chance to come and put themselves here. This is the word I can tell to my people in Bihar. Believe in the things. Let us start changing the situation. Let us be positive. Let us think uh, ahead. Let us think of tomorrow. Happened is happened. Past is past. From today onwards, we have to be alert, and we have to put all efforts in bringing Bihar up. We have to make a successful Bihar in next 5, 10 years, and we should set an example back, and we should tell the people, means all over the world should feel proud of Bihar. That day again it has to come back. In that thing, I have put my means I have put myself fully into this, and I have sacrificed. Means I don't want to use such words from my mouth, because it's in my mind to act, and in my mind to do the things. That's what I have come over here. My sacrifice and everything is my personal matter. But my thing is, my vision is to see a new Bihar. My vision is to develop the Bihar. My vision is to see new Bihar, Naya Bihar banega, badlega Bihar, badlenge aap. I want everyone to be with me, to set the stage. I do accept, I appreciate you. You have put a right word, but I challenge you, Lohit. A day will come within next 5-10 years. We are going to change. We are going to show the world that Bihar is a gold. Bihar is a gold mine, and we will prove it. That's what I wish, and I will work hard. I will put all my efforts. I will put all my strength, all my energy, and do the best what an individual can do. And the future is, no one can predict the future, and we see a bright Bihar, a good Bihar, a new Bihar. That's all. Thanks a lot. I appreciate you for the interview, and I wish good luck for you and success in your life also, in your career. You are a good anchor and you are a good actor as well as. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Sanjay sir, with your vast experience of seeing all over India development of other states, and you have been experience of visiting other countries also. So you have a very clear vision. So with that vision itself, as a successful person in business, successful person as a personality, and now you have ventured into your place, your mother place, your own place with a lot of love with the people, lot of love. So I listen for us, who is hardly working for us, who is thinking for us, who is going